Go in the rack, I gotta get that money.
Like this. I hate that shit.
Why? Why does that bother you so much, Alex?
What, you mad you even got your white woman like that white boy right there?
Yeah, because the one right now sticking me for my kids.
What? Why, Alex?
I'm just being real, cuz. You want me to be real? Fuck you. I love my babies to death. Fuck her. All niggas in this car, bro.
I'm saying,
I
bro.
bowed my head.
My bitch ain't in this car, bro.
I bowed my head. I sang the song.
Okay, y'all bobbing my head, but what the fuck you expect me to do?
Hey, bro. You ain't gonna get bro.
Shit, nigga, ain't no motherfucking chain here with some water and then drop on me or some shit. What you want?
We got that from the shooter.
Oh, God, bro. This nigga think we in Footloose, bro.
My bad, too. I'm sorry.
It's not the 80s, bud.
This nigga think we, bro. This nigga really think we on Boogie Night.
You got it, bro.
We can go to the club, get some hoes, goddamn. We got them come out with leather goddamn pants, snakeskin boots on, with the high heels.
I'm in a Glock 41, bro.
Look at it.
I'm in a Glock 41.
Tiny shit. You know what I mean? A 101. Clean it full. Get some 101 EL that ain't nobody got. I know you ain't talking about my love.
I do.
Hell nah, but you know I got that
Finger, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. That's the only fingernail you ain't gonna get cut.
You got that
You selling me drama?
I'm out here.
Niggas, you selling me drama?
You know what I'm saying? You sell me that shit, nigga. Sell me that fat, nah, my nigga.
I'll say you can fuck around, try to walk past, walking Piggly Wiggly, try to get some little scene, standing by the food or some shit in your shit. Just to make it more, you feel me? Good settings and shit too.
You got the mystery box too. Mystery box. I just hope.
TJ, why they playing with you?
I'm the type of nigga, I give a nigga an open knife, man.
It's alright.
That's exactly what the fuck I had to do.
You mentally challenged. It's alright.
You think that tan store over there
We
open?
accept you.
Huh?
We accept you still.
Yeah, but it's like still though.
Look, yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. What's them motherfucking big ass long ass knife?
Machete?
A bayonet.
Nah, them bayonet.
Oh yeah.
No,
Yeah.
you talking about that butterfly? You
Oh,
talking
but-
about that shit.
Yeah, I know.
You play with that shit?
Which one you talking about?
Hey, y'all, boy, we Brandon, my boy, Big Trey shit. Y'all already know, man. He got the hardest set of the year, and I ain't even playing. You see what I'm saying? Hey, Big Trey, tell me what you got, man. Tell me what you got going on.
Man, y'all know what.
205 Big Trey. I'm coming at you live in action with the unboxing. I ain't even
Big
open
Trey,
shit.
not the little Trey. You ain't even open it yet, bro. You know what I'm saying? This a prize for y'all. Just wait. For real. Tell them what we shooting in, man. Look, we got the little Audi right here. Got the Escalade, motherfucker.
No, big suburban.
Tahoe.
Big
Tony,
Tony.
yeah. Tahoe. My bad.
Big shit.
Big boy shit. Still a Tonka though.
Yeah. What's your name with it?
I'm Bentley, man. I ain't Pete, but show good to me, man. Good to me, y'all, boy. Y'all boy got Instagram, what y'all?
Yeah, we know that, bro.
Y'all be doing content too.
We be doing the clothes shit with his ass. For real, for real.
That's a weird thing.
Show you hard. Oh God, that bit here hard.
Oh my soul.
That shit hard. I ain't got it. Hey, what I was gonna say, you don't like the umbrella shit? Hell, straight. Umbrella shit.
Tell her what it is.
What's going on, man? Bill Banks in the building, man. Y'all gonna get at me for all content, brand ambassador, everything.
But this
Sure.
weekend,
Yeah.
I can turn my life like.
Let's appreciate some shit real quick, guys. Let's appreciate young black man doing young black business. You feel me? Wait till I get mine, nigga. I swear to God, nigga, you ain't gonna know what to do with me. I swear to God. It's gonna be photos with 4 hoes. Nigga. No cap. I swear to God.
4 doors, 4 hoes, my nigga.
Oh God, for real. 4 doors for 4 hoes.
This Sunday? This man, as he said, it's gonna be a vlog. He said, "Yeah, I ain't got nothing to bring."
That made me mad.
Just
Tighten up,
rolling.
nigga. Tighten up.
Camera rolling.
I'm good. Oh, what's going on, man? We got Enzo in the bed today, man. No cap.
Yeah, man, we back at it, man. Yeah.
No cap, man.
Brand
We got the
content.
signers out with it,
Get at
man.
us.
Niggas tweaking
Yeah.
out, but you know what I'm saying?
But
Y'all boys, if y'all don't see me, man,
you gonna see
y'all gonna
us.
see them boys.
No cap.
PG-13.
Man, if you don't edit it out.
We free.
It's all uncut. This uncut.
You said they were trying to play basketball?
That one nigga who come out.
Oh God, yo. Oh God, hey, that shit ain't got nothing to do with nothing. Who trying to hoop?
Let's do it, bro. We out here. This a live review, live reaction. I wanted to see what niggas actually think about my fucking clothes. These niggas ain't paid. These niggas ain't scripted. Oh God.
You ain't paid nothing.
None at all. Off the dome, you hear me?
Who the fuck trying to race? Hello, where my phone at? Where them cameras out here, everybody? Flash. You ain't got a flash, put your light in there. Trey. Big Trey with the merch. 2024. Introducing you 2024, 2025. How long? Look, they record.
Open it? Oh, you just wanted to get them out. Oh, look. Open that whole thing all around.
That's the right man.
Size and options, goddammit. Everybody get that. God damn. Hold on now.
Let's see right there.
I hope it be negative 20 degrees. Thanks Christmas.
Hold on, get this shit on camera, bro.
No cap. Bring
Gotta
the
get
camera
this
close.
shit
Bring
on
the camera close, man.
It better be 0 degrees.
You see the
on
motherfucking
Thursday.
details in that bit? Hold on. Get that shit in the light. Get that shit in the light.
Big, them
You
material
gotta
right
see
here.
that.
You got,
Hold on, let go. Look at the detail. Y'all niggas don't even get that, bro. Y'all niggas don't think, bro. Look at that shit. Then you got the L,
Ric Flair.
and then the E on that bit.
Gonna be some skinny legs on y'all.
I can hold them on. They put them all on, boy. Hey, not for real.
I got 2 in there on
Hey, I
ain't gonna lie, Big Trey.
might can squeeze through that hole.
What you laughing at? Oh, I'm laughing at jelly. Hey, hold on.
We gotta forget it. We keep recording this shit. We over here looking at the little details of this shit. This shit is hard.
I ain't gonna count.
This
This hard.
This your first time seeing this shit too?
Yeah, this is our first time. I open the hole. We time.
Oh yeah. That shit hard as fuck.
That whole hard. I ain't gonna lie.
In the front, you gonna get your little shine with it too.
That shit.
He did the embroidery right too. Then the patching.
Man, big enough.
You can go to black with the ring.
Switch it up. So that means you finna buy 2 sets then.
You want to real quick?
Are these the ones you gonna take to the A, right?
Yeah, we're gonna take these.
I buy something with my little eye.
No, my boy.
I'm gonna do the black on black.
Yeah, tattoo.
That's still hard on with the black and gray 12.
Oh, my them 12 big. I ain't gonna count
Or them folds, no,
the
them
40 that
folds.
came out.
Brand
No.
new. Oh, that's for you, Trey.
I buy with my little eye something and we got mine. So
That's tough, on my soul.
Hey, you took your time with them, though, man.
No count. DDB with them hoes.
That shit hard as fuck.
That boy finna go to the A Studio Shrimp. You know what I'm saying? Hey, he finna sell that first day he get in the city. No cap.
Boy need 500 a set.
500 cents. 550 plus tax.
No, son.
Hold on.
That boy getting the cameras out. Let me get the cameras out too.
Go one-on-one.
right. You don't see it? It's the same height.
No cap.
Boy, you my boy.
Big 205 check.
Other one there though.
Then he got all colors. It's Christmas colors right here. I ain't count that green hard. That green is hard. That green is hard.
Hard as hell. You gotta customize my sign now.
But with green, orange, and blue. That be tough.
I do green down
See, that green was giving like designer shoe type. You see what I'm saying? Just give it designer, you know. Just give it designer. Balenciaga track. God, that shit giving the bitch better pay.
That was at two.
Niggas got different
Oh, look at that one though.
different songs.
They're like
different
mint,
shit.
ain't it?
Oh, hit though. Female gonna like this one.
That was hard.
Go for this one right here.
That one fire.
Oh yeah. This was a diamond.
Yeah, man.
Shine them more than yours. Man, hold on, how much you pay for that hoe though? Oh, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, I'm looking at this.
Thank you, twin.
Damn.
35, 4 foot 10 change. I pay like sample this.
Spider-Man on my shirt.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Status Jewelers, man. Y'all gonna count, man.
Status Jewelers. None less. None less.
That blue trim though.
Hey, new pieces though.
On the way.
On the way. The new pieces, y'all just don't know. We got something crazy coming for y'all ass. Just pay attention. Oh, y'all. Oh, my soul. That blue, that's it. That look like your size.
You good.
Everybody be doing this scalp. Pink eye blue. That blue.
What side that is?
This small right here.
I think I can squeeze in them hoes, man.
For real, honestly though.
For real.
I'm gonna have your side.
Man,
He said, I'm gonna have your side. Watch out.
I want to put them hoes in. Them hoes look like some tights on me now.
Yeah, them hoes. I'm stressing on it too, that shit. You got that hoe perfect.
Let me see that.
That would have gone songs too.
It's not even cold out here. That be right. Y'all know me, man. Y'all know my favorite color, blue. And that blue just is tripping. That bitch set tripping. For all these brands doing these off-color blue like the sky blue, we tired of that shit. You see what I'm saying? We need the royal.
We need the crib blue.
We are. That's
Feel
better.
that crib blue.
Non-gang affiliated, but
None
you know
gang
what I'm saying?
affiliate, we don't condone.
We
None of
talking
that.
about the color right now.
We talking about the color. Oh, hidden in the light.
That hoe so long though.
You don't even need the light, folks. God
Damn.
Look like that, but
Hey, this is a 2X. So, for all the big niggas, yes, it fit. On my mama,
Let me see the back.
Yeah.
That's the part. You gotta take your time when you're doing this shit. You gotta articulate. You gotta get some real artistry in this shit. Yeah. Real piece shit. Ain't nobody going patch
Y'all see a whole nother way to
Patch
go,
here.
bro. Emery, come here.
rhinestones, earwork, on the hood, you feel me? And on the wrist. With the distressing. Niggas not having this. Niggas not having this. Niggas trying to put up a video and shit.
I'm security, don't worry about it. Wipe this fucking nose. 1050 CEO though, man. Y'all know what's going on. Got my little girl with me. First baby at a goddamn clothing pop out. Clothes pop out. First day out. First baby at one. She going up. You got something on her side?
This a meat.
Hey, but for real though, I'm gonna holler at you. I'm gonna get her ID straight.
Yeah, this shit hit. This shit hit.
I ain't think it was gonna be long as it is though. They long as fuck. They long as shit. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that's the Ricky.
I know.
Hey, Ricky.
Damn.
Hey, Ricky. Appreciate you, baby. 3% rule, motherfucker. Black meaning. I probably did a little more than 3%. Probably like 95%. But we still got room, bro.
Put your drip. If you style that bit right here, look good.
Any new design, any design they want to just tap in. Any brands they want to work with, tap in on God. Doing brand development. So when I start getting my shit booming and running, I'm gonna start a community. And on God, y'all gonna run this shit up. I'm gonna show y'all how I do this shit.
Get mad
This shit going. That shit's announced work. Talk to manufacturers so you don't get your ass scam. All this shit. Oh God. Nigga, on God, we just got hit.
Just put some alcohol on your
That's all I do. Oh God. With the racists that he got on, this shit.
always, you know what I'm saying? We always need
Yeah, this shit harder for, but we got hit. That nigga didn't send like 50 on. And he didn't send the right size. So, take that shit and keep on. That's all you can do. You see
I
how
want you to know, nigga, like, your life is terrible. Your life ain't worth shit. Your kids don't
cut
love
this shit
you.
out, bro. Hey,
Mother
man,
don't
what the
love you.
hell?
I'm talking about that nigga that goddamn fucked up the shit, though.
That boy finna go in. You just finna go
Hey,
in.
don't listen to him.
Keep it
man.
going.
Kids, stay in school and stay off drugs, but sip that lean.
I'm the asshole. You saw that, America.
Because it looks like
burn
it's
the mat
cooked,
right
though.
here for real.
Yeah, beef was like a beef told us that.
Our world ain't on drugs.
Wake up.
Y'all boys go get the brand, man. You got the red Power Ranger, and you got the blue Power Ranger. Stop playing. No cap. Hey man, y'all see this shit though, man. This shit really going on, man. Y'all get with it, get left. For real.
Red Ranger, Blue Ranger, Green Ranger, just
Green Power Ranger. Hey, this shit hard though. No cap though.
unboxing.
That shit hard.
That shit hard with 10.
See how you go unboxing, then you switch it up, go to photo shoot.
Shit, that hoe gonna cover the shit. No cap. You gotta get right. Oh man, no cap. You see what's going on?
Tap in all brands, bro.
cap,
If y'all
all
need
brands.
some brand promotion, tap in for real.
cap.
We got you pushing up.
Pushing
everywhere.
up.
If you in LA, we coming. But That cheese though.
Talk about some cheese.
But if you in the city, we doing it all the scrimp is all love, man. We ain't charging nothing. If you in the city, man, doing all brand promos free. Tap in while you can though.
Ain't gonna be for free forever, goddamn.
No, it's not.
Everything for free.
It's not. They ain't gonna be doing this for free forever either. I'm telling you.
Yesterday's price ain't today's price, nigga.
Telling you.
Well,
And just because that person got that price don't mean you gonna get it.
You gotta wait your turn, stay down.
I'm just talking.
Don't hate on nobody. Wait your turn. Beat that straight, bitch. I'm not finna be scrubbing his pants against the ground, nigga.
Pull him down. Yo. What side that is? Oh. What side it is?
This is medium, my boy. I ain't.
Damn.
Right.
Yeah.
Pants.
Smaller than some bitch.
God damn. I ain't know them pants was that goddamn. God, shit.
That big straight. Just me on the neck, brand, my boy. You think it might be straight for the picture though?
Man, y'all be job for the picture.
Just try to roll them up at the top and just
Roll them in the back. Back.
roll them up in the back, and then like just kind of swag it.
I mean, let me tell y'all something, man. These niggas said style and shit. What the fuck more style can I get? These hoes like, yeah, these Cinderella pants right here, man. I'm just thug it out how it is, you know. Y'all tell me in the comments down below. Am I straight? Or take this shit off? This is not for me. My big brother need to get this. Yeah, this shit hard though.
Man, that shit tough.
I just don't want to scrub his goddamn
Shit.
Yeah, you feel me? Especially finna go to the A with this shit. I'm gonna get all these props.
That hoe in the pocket.
He said that hoe.
That hoe fit in your pocket. So, oh God, I got a full size. That bitch fit in your pocket. You can't even tell. Bring that hoe up just a little bit. Bring it in a little bit. That's how you gotta actually be a designer. Nigga. You can't just go into first sample. You gotta tweak shit. Get it right. No leather pants. I'm not changing. Your whole stand the same. I want the whole to go like this. When you put them on. Now that I'm seeing this shit. Wow, like beautiful. Listen, man.
You wanna go ahead? Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got it.
Once that shit came out there, boy, I ain't get no for it.
What's your name on there?
That's now.
Go get a rack, I gotta get that money. I'll catch a fat, I gotta get that money. Ay. I say, go get a rack, I gotta get that money. Ay, wherever I'm at, I gotta get that money. Ay, no catch a fat, I gotta get that money. Ay, shit deep in the rap, I gotta get that money. Ay, go get the racks, I gotta get that money. Ay, I said, wherever I'm at, I gotta get that money. Ain't no catch a fat, I gotta get that money. Ain't shit deep in the rap, I gotta get that money. I gotta get money, my nigga. Don't 50s and 100s, my nigga. Ay, I never withstand these niggas, so why would I fuck with these niggas? Ay, had to start shit over, my kids getting older, so I'm tryna keep me them racks in. Better tell the promoters I wanted up front. Go ahead, give me my back end. I don't roll running, they tryna keep up. I don't keep taking them fat. Need stocks and bun, money that's put up. I'm tryna make this shit last. That was happy for me at first, now I'm popping my shit, I been making them mad. I done tried that little shit, it ain't working for me, so I'm chasing the bag. Ay, really had to keep that cup. Ay, they start being good lean. Ay, you can tell you ain't getting no money, boy, niggas still sit green. Ay, nigga tryna be cool, they don't know what they doing, they don't know what they tasting. Ay, need a brain bag walk, they can keep that tricks, they can keep that quack. Ay, on the tight, they stay on my shit, everything ain't getting guap now. You the type to go stay with a bitch, come home later, you locked out. Ay, get money, go level a nigga, stick on the side of me sitting. Ay, pull up, park it, hop out, spark it, schlock out the car, just hit face. I say, go get the rack, I gotta get that money. Hey, wherever I'm at, I gotta get that money. Hey, no catch it fat, I gotta get that money. Hey, shit deep in the rap, I gotta get that money. Hey, go get the racks, I gotta get that money. I said wherever I'm at, I gotta get that money. Hey, no catch it fat, I gotta get that money. Hey, shit deep in the rap, I gotta get that money. Get that money, get that money.
Yeah, EGM shit, nigga. VAC shit, boy. Yeah. No, I'm coming for it, dog. Yeah.
Nico bunking in the trap.
Yeah, trying to get the bag, I'ma get the bag. You know we with it though. You know I'm with it. Niggas be talking that tough shit, but they won't come to my city though. Come to my city. And I don't wanna hear your sad stories. Give a fuck about your pity hoe. I don't give a fuck. You should've went and got some money instead. They hate, so they envy though. Yeah, they envy. Trying to get the bag, I'ma get the bag. You know we with it though. You know I'm with it. Niggas be talking that tough shit, but they won't come to my city though. Come to my city. Yeah, and I don't wanna hear your sad stories. Give a fuck about your pity hoe. Give a fuck about your pity. Should've went and got some money instead. They hate, so they envy. So they I'm elevated, getting money, I'm forever hating. Missing my niggas that never made it. Gotta smoke through the pain, head, yeah, I'm faded. And I'm still with this shit, how the fuck you forgot? Running that bag, my pockets on knots. Dude, I been chillin', my city too hot. Niggas be trying to be something they not. I don't give a fuck about the bitch you a thought. You play with my life, then it's you who get shot. They know what you say, you gon' do it or not. Came from the bottom, then shoot to the top. Everyday life, I'm tryna go and give me a little millions. And I know they won't blemish my image. And this shit, I'm a goon, I'm a grimace. They done turned me to a menace. They started, I had to finish. They be mad when I hop out the Bentley. I wanna see the whole war on no touring. I want a bitch who ain't best getting boring. This be the shit that I'm on. If I really want it, you know I'm winning and scoring. Hey, I know a whole bunch of secrets. When it come to beef, I cook it and eat it. Trying to get the bag, I'ma get the bag. You know we with it though. You know we with it. Niggas be talking that tough shit, but they won't come to my city though. Come to my city. Yeah, and I don't wanna hear your sad stories. Give a fuck about your pity hoe. Fuck about feelings. You should've went and got some money instead. They hate, so they envy though. So they envy. Trying to get the bag, I'ma get the bag. You know we with it though. You know we with it. Niggas be talking that tough shit, but they won't come to my city though. Come to my city. Yeah, and I don't wanna hear your sad stories. Give a fuck about your pity hoe. And don't give a fuck. Hey, should've went and got some money instead. They hate, so they envy though. Going off like a bum on them. Yeah, I had to go dumb on it. Count hundreds, put my thumb on it. Out the gate, nigga, I'm on it. And these niggas won't try, but these niggas know better. You know me, shit, I'm down for whatever. Fucking the rock, get you hit with that melter. Politics open them more like a melter. Yeah, I'm settled. I had to go get the bag though. Stuff in my pocket with cash. I had to get rid of my last hoe. Cause all the little bitch do is nag. And these niggas hoes and fags. I'ma expose them bad. I'm out of control with swag. I put on like some shoulder pad. EGM when I'm real niggas with a blessing. I'm fucking your bitch and the butter on it. Beat the pussy, I turn on. I'm smooth the game, I can run it on. Look what I did, I done it on it. Couple niggas act funny on me. I had to go get that money on money.
Money, my nigga, them 50s and 100s, my nigga. Ay, I never withstand these niggas, so why would I fuck with these niggas? Ay, had to start shit over my kids getting older, so I'm tryna keep me them racks in. Better tell the